Hello guys, here I have Octopus box and I don't have any cable connected to it. Here I have LG2 Optimus 2X, also known like G2X, the model number P999, and now you can see it's locked, and I will show you how to unlock it using Octopus box and using regular USB cable, because Octopus box says you need to use special P999 cable, what is actually costs 15 bucks and it's not included in the package. So the idea is to switch the phone to downloading mode. To do this I should hold volume down button and press power button for 3 seconds, release that button, and phone should go to downloading mode. It's not going yet. Let me try again. Okay, as you can see, the phone in the downloading mode. I will connect USB cable back. Okay, so here on the screen you see Octopus box. On the top I chose model P99, so you press select, it's the model, and you, to make sure, you press read info. You press read info, it's already read. Now I press unlock button here. You can see the process on the screen. So basically that's it, and I will disconnect the cable and start the phone to see if it has been unlocked. This is the model G2X, as I said before. As you can see, it doesn't show any network locked or something, and everything is fine. So I will show you why everything. I told you, like, it's asking for the cable, because when you go here on it in the middle it says direct unlock, and here in particular it says you should use P99 cable, what you can find for 15 bucks. So you don't need to use it, you can use regular micro USB cable, what I just chose. You see, this is it. So thank you for watching. Please press on like button if you find my video useful. Thank you.